What? $17. That's amazing.
It's cheesy, magic fingers.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara and I'm back with another video, okay? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this gorgeous wig that I found for just $17. Like, what? $17. That's amazing. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I styled this wig, which took me less than a minute, definitely keep watching this video. If you want to buy this hair, okay, listen, everybody just stop what you're doing and listen to me, okay? If you want to buy this hair, the link is going to be in the description box below, okay? Click it and you're going to see where I will write either link to this hair or hair used in this video. I'm going to write something relating to that. And by the side or underneath that, you're going to see the link. Just click the link and buy the hair. Don't come in the comment section and start saying, where can I get this hair? Because I'm saying it now that you can get that link in the description box below. So everybody has heard me. Now you can go back to do what you were doing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking this video and listening to me. I'm going to shut up right now to let you guys watch this video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Bye bye. So this is basically the hair that we're working with today. This hair was sent to me by a company called Aisi hair. It's an Amazon company, and I'm going to have all the details in the description box below. This is basically what the inside looks like. It has two combs in front. So this is basically what it looks like straight out of the pack. It actually is really pretty. I really like the curls. The hair feels really soft. I'm going to go ahead now and try to style it to be more for my taste. But yeah, keep watching. So all I'm doing is literally just fluffing it out to make it look a lot bigger. You don't want to pull through all the way to the end. You just want to try to fluff out the roots because you do not want to create frizz. Okay? You're just fluffing out the roots. Okay guys, so this is basically what the hair looks like after fluffing it out for like 1 minute. Not even up to 1 minute, guys. This hair is amazing. It's very easy. Literally just take it out, put it on your head, fluff it out, and you're good to go. For the price of this hair, it's amazing, okay? Like, it is beyond amazing, okay? It really does mimic human hair, like, sincerely. This wig was $17.99 US. Like, come on. $17. It's not even up to $20. Like, what? Bruh. Anyways, this wig was $17 and I got the color T2/30. So what I believe is it's like a really dark brown, which is the T2, I think. And then the end is color 30, which is kind of like a golden blonde. Did you guys get? It is so gorgeous. I like the color of my skin tone. They have a ton of colors. They have like this really bright pink, and some people like that. So definitely check out the link in the description box below to purchase this hair. It's just $17. Okay guys, go and buy it. Like, there's no excuse. Like, you just have it in your house. Like, why are you not buying it? So yes guys, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. That shows that you liked it. And subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment section below. Share this video with your friends, you know, and check out my other videos because they're pretty nice. Like, actually, you know, I give out good videos, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.